guys, good morning. So it's 25th April today and today is the Sunday and Louis is having bath right there. My mom is giving Louis a bath. I'm going to dry him. Drying him is like the next level task because he doesn't sit in one place. You guys know Louis. So today is Sunday and we are making biryani for lunch. I'm so happy. Like it's been so long since we made biryani at our house. Finally, we are doing that today. I'm so happy. Also, working out. Yesterday, I missed my workout. So today we are going to work out. As I said, Louis is having bath right now. When he comes out, he looks so funny. He doesn't even look like a golden retriever. And drying him is like a next level task. So yeah, we are going to be doing that today. And yes, you're doing that with me. Oh my god, Louis! Look at him. Just look at him. And look who is all neat and clean. Louis! You look so cute. You look so fresh. So cute. He's so soft. I wish I could make you all touch him. He's like so super soft. Cutie. Have it. Nope. Not in a mood. Have it, boo-boo. Nope. Why aren't you eating, Louis? Hey guys, I just had bath and I got dressed up. No particular reason, whenever I'm lazing around in these pajamas, I feel so not motivated. But when I get ready, I feel more alive and more nice and everything. So from today, I've decided to dress up to feel good and I'm wearing this outfit. I absolutely love this one. Let me just show it to you clearly. And this is how my outfit looks like. It is like a pretty old one, but it is one of my most favorite pieces from the closet. So as I was telling you, I feel so good when I'm dressed up and I feel so alive. So I smell like Japanese cherry blossom. This is again one of my most favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I'm feeling so good from outside. Now let's go have biryani and feel more nicer. So guys, this is how our biryani looks like. Looks so super yummy. Now let's just taste it. So guys, I'm so hungry and so excited to have this one. Homemade biryani is like my most favorite thing. It is like so perfect, perfect. Oh my god, I can eat this all day, every day. Oh wait, how can I forget my thumbs up? I can't drink Coke at all. I can't drink Pepsi. Thumbs up and biryani are like a match made in heaven. So loving my Sunday so much. Time to work out. Yeah, I changed into something more comfortable. Let's go. Guys, I just took a shower and I just wanted to come to my room and I just wanted to show you the vibe of my room. See, it feels so good in here. Like, look at it, guys. Just I'm going to sit there, relax, take a little time, and yeah, feel good because my room feels so good and peaceful right now. Like, oh my god, I can't even tell you Wow, this feels so good. Look who has decided to accompany me. The love of my life has decided to accompany me. Aww, cutie. Stop licking my cream. I applied a lot of moisturizer and he loves licking everything which is not his foot. No! Bad boy Louis. Good morning guys. So it's 26th April today and I just received my parcel from Nykaa. Let me just quickly show you one by one what I got. I didn't really get like a lot of stuff, but I'm excited to each and every product in this bag. So yeah, let me just quickly open everything and show it to you. So guys, these are all the things that I got. Coming to the first one, this is the thing I'm most excited about. This is actually a body wash from the Beauty Co. This is like a chocolate and coffee body wash. It actually smells and looks like a chocolate sauce, so it's like you're having bath in a chocolate sauce. So I'm so excited to try this one out. And then I got another body wash. This is from Nivea. I think this is the new collection. This is in the variant Lily of the Valley and oil, I'm guessing. And yeah, the reviews were good, and also I just wanted to try it out. And also I got this scrub with this one. I got it free. So this is like a body scrub, and this retails for 599 rupees, if you can see. And use is also, I really wanted a coffee scrub for a long time, but they are expensive and I didn't really have the mood of investing in them, and now I got it for free, so I'm excited. Also I got 3 eyeshadow palettes from NK Makeup. So this is like a green one. Oh wait, I haven't opened it yet, so I'll just show it to you whenever I open it. This is like a green one. This is like more of browns and more neutrals one, like for like daily use. And then this is like a blue one. These were for 300 rupees each. Like, what are you getting for 300 rupees these days, right? So I picked 3 of these. Hi guys, so there's Louis, and I just got my parcel from Amazon. So I ordered these magnetic lashes. It comes with 2 glues and everything. Let me just quickly open it and show it to you guys. I was so super excited for these. I hope they work. I actually ordered it for my mom on the occasion of Mother's Day, but of course I'm going to steal them as well. So let me just quickly open it and show it to you. So guys, this is how it looks like from the inside. There are like 10 pairs of lashes. We have 2 magnetic glues, and these I think is a pair of tweezers to apply the lashes. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just try it out and let you know if it actually works. I actually saw it on Kritika Kurana's Instagram page and I just couldn't stop myself from buying it. So yeah, let's try it and I'll let you know. Hey guys, so the time right now is around 4:30 p.m. I just had my shower and got ready. As I told you, I'm going to be getting dressed up every single day just to feel more active. And today I want to do something super different. If you've seen my videos, you know, like reds and pinks and sometimes browns are like the only comfort zone for me. And today I tried like a purple lipstick and I'm wearing, let me just show it to you. Wait, I don't have a full length mirror in my room. I'll show you in a second. So guys, this is how my outfit looks like. So I wore like a really nice purple color quad set. This is actually from Myntra. If I find a link, I'll definitely make sure to place it down in the description box below. I absolutely love this one. I never wear like super loose pants. I like only like skinny ones, but this, I'm loving it. This is from Urbanic. This actually is like a DIY thing. It also had this lock, if you can see, but I hate it anyways. And this belt is from Shein. These super pretty footwear are from Street Style Stock, I guess. So yeah, hi guys, sorry for putting you in like this weird position, because for this I need like a huge ass mirror and I just can't do with the small blush mirror or something like that. So I just kept you near my dressing table so that it is more comfortable for me, and I'm sure you can see it pretty well. So this is how the magnetic lashes set look like. I'm planning to go with the more dramatic ones. Probably I'll try the first ones because they're like super long and pretty. Take the glue, shake it like this because that is what the instructions here say. So you need to shake it like this, and you need to apply like 2-3 coats of it on your eye. Especially you have to add like a super thick layer at the end so that the lash sticks properly. And then, sorry for the noise, there are people playing outside. And then you have to wait for like 1 minute for your lash for your magnetic lash glue to dry up, and then you can apply your lashes. So yeah, I'm going to try and make an attempt to do that. 2 layers done. I'll apply 1 more layer, putting it on the other eye. And yeah, I just spilled it a little bit over here. That should be fine. I'll just clean it up. Oh, and it's dry. It's like almost dry already. Okay, let me wait for like a few more seconds. I usually apply my normal falsies with my hand only, but now that it is being all fancy, let me try to be 1, 2. Let me try. Oh, it's there. It's there. My God, like wow, it looks good. I'm impressed. But I think I did apply it a little above my lash line, but it does look good. Let me try and do a better job this side. And yeah, we have them. Not perfect, but I look like mermaid scales. Hi guys, so this is how I look like in this setup, and these lashes, oh my God, they look so pretty with this ring light setup as well. And also I have been missing sitting in this position and filming because I'm doing more of like vlogs these days. But today I'm in a mood of sitting and filming, but I don't really want to do like a separate video on it. So I thought, why not include it in the vlog, because I love vlogs. I enjoy doing vlogs. So yeah, this should be a part of the vlog. Anyways, without that, I really wanted to share a few products which I've been enjoying for the past month and even a little more than that. So I just quickly wanted to show all of that to you guys. So I place some of the products here in no particular order, and whatever comes into my hand. The first one is this one. It is actually a body oil from Plum. This makes you smell like a cupcake all night long. Personally, I'm a person who shaves a lot, especially at night, and you guys know shaving makes your skin like so super dry. This gives like that extra dose of moisture to your skin, and when you apply it at night till the next day, sometimes even the next day afternoon or evening or even night, it just retains all the moisture in your skin and it smells so good. So I have been adding this into my nighttime routine from a while now, and I have been absolutely enjoying this. This is not very expensive, not very cheap either. This retails for 550 rupees. So yeah, take a shower, apply this oil, take a nice nap, not a nap, sleep well, wake up next morning, you're going to feel really nice. So in case you're looking for like a nice body oil, I would highly recommend this one. Coming to the next one, it is actually this one. This is Youthful. This is like a youthful scrub. It is actually a brand by Huda Beauty, and this product, I'm sure you guys have seen it because it is like so hyped up. So I just couldn't wait to get my hands onto it and actually try it out. And trust me, I really feel like it is all worth the hype. You know, it just removes all the dead skins, the blackheads, whiteheads and everything, and makes your skin super soft and bright. You can actually see a difference in the skin in the first wash only. Of course, you should not use it more than twice a week. I think it has chemical exfoliants in it, if I'm not wrong. I might be, it has AHA, BHA. So yeah, it has chemical exfoliants in it, and yeah, it does makes a lot of difference to your skin, but it is way expensive. This is like what, 40 ml, and this retails for 1,350 rupees. So if you're okay splurging your money on a really nice scrub, go ahead and get this one. And the next thing I want to talk about is this one. You have seen me using this today. You used to have seen me got the order today morning, and I used it today for shower. And oh my God, I've got such a nice and different experience with this one. It literally, if you can see, wait, let me just open it. it literally looks like a chocolate sauce. It smells like a chocolate sauce, and you know, it actually made my skin super smooth. Not only that, the fragrance is so good. I even tried to lick it because it was so delicious. It was smelling so delicious. And no, it doesn't really taste like chocolate. It has hints of chocolate but doesn't really taste of chocolate. So yeah, don't do such things at home like me. Anyways, and also other things, it is paraben free, cruelty free, it is silicone free, mineral free, it is vegan, and it is also dermatologically tested, and it is also very inexpensive. It is 250 ml, which retails for 350 rupees, but I'm sure you'll get it for like a lesser price. I got it for around 300 rupees. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice body wash, you have to get this one. Like, you have to. It smells so delicious. It is making me more hungry. You know, I really want to eat chocolate cake right now. And coming to the next one, also this is from Huda Beauty. If you have been following me for a while, you know how much I'm obsessed with this mascara. This is their Legit Lash mascara. It has volume on one side, curl and length on the other side. It makes you really, if you're a person who applies like light false lashes, like not very heavy ones like this one, and there Louis trying to come up. And if you're a person who wants to apply false lashes but doesn't really enjoy like heavy, just a second. If you're a person who likes to apply like really light false lashes, make your lashes look a little lengthy and you know thick, then this is the mascara you need to go to. It is like so super good. It is a little bit again on expensive side if I'm not wrong. It retails for 2250 rupees, which is a little expensive for like a mascara, but the work it does is super magical. So yeah, next thing that comes into my hand is this one. Of course I have to, there is no video without mentioning Bath and Body Works. So I'm not sure if this is like the latest collection. I think it is the last second release from Bath and Body Works. This is like You're the One, and the smell is like so good. Like, so if you're a person who likes Bath and Body Works and would want to invest on a new collection, then I would highly recommend to go with this one. And for the first time, it has a tinge of muskness to it. You know I'm into musky fragrances, and this is so, my hair looks super messy. I don't know why, and I got totally into the video mode, right guys? Like I'm a little different in vlogs and I'm a little different in videos, but yeah. Anyways, so yeah, I took all the three ones. It has a mixture of floral and musk fragrance, and oh my god, this perfume and this fragrance is to die for. So if you're looking for like a new piece, go ahead and purchase this one. Also, talking of fragrances, I'm absolutely from the past 1 month, it's been a month since I bought this, and I have been absolutely loving this perfume from Zara. This is the Red Vanilla. I don't know why did they name it vanilla. It doesn't smell like vanilla whatsoever, for me at least. It has a really nice, super strong, musky fragrance. If you're not into super strong fragrances, not into musky fragrances, then this is not at all for you. But if you're someone who likes like really deep, musky, dark, woody kind of fragrances, then this one is for you. It lasts for a really good amount of time, and if I'm not wrong, this retails for around 590 rupees. Next one, I have already spoken about it. This is the blush by K Beauty. If you have seen my last vlog, you know how much am I enjoying using this blush. This blush is in the shade Coral Charm, and this is how the blush color looks like. Oh my god, it is highly pigmented, and at the same time it is easily blendable. You can easily build it up. Perfect for people who are of my skin tone, and even if you're a little lighter and darker, I really feel like this thing goes for everyone, and it is so good. The texture is so good. And the next one I want to talk about is this one. Again, if you're a person who shaves a lot, I would highly recommend using this one. This is a Dove's Shower Mousse. It has a really nice mild fragrance. It produces a lot of foam. I don't know why I'm trying to do this, but if you can see, it produces foam like this. I don't know what to do. Yeah, okay. So it has a really nice mild fragrance. It is very easy to shave. Again, coming in the shaving category, again, if you have seen me, I already told that I'm going to review it, and of course if it's in my recommendations video, then you're going to absolutely love it. This is the Gillette Venus Snap. I actually, this is not inside, it is somewhere else. I've already showed it to you. It is basically like a small razor. If you can see, it looks like this. I have already shown it to you in the previous vlog. If you want, I'll just place the link in the description box. This is how my room looks like right now. I'm just done filming, so everything is like super messy. So let me just clean everything up. Having some halim for dinner from Cafe Bahar. It's not at all nice, to be honest. And watching the bull type. Yeah, I cannot watch more than 3 episodes a day. So good night. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the absolute world to me. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Take care. Bye.